Okay, the end of day number 5, and today was spent mainly on disassembling the machine in its entirety. So it's now down to the tub and power unit there. That's the worm screw and shaft, and then the base, or the legs, has been taken off. And in the previous video I kept referring to the fan belt for some reason. I'm not working on a car. It's the drive belt. So this is the shroud or the guard to the drive belt from the motor. So that's all sanded and polished now, ready for priming and painting. And we've got both, let's see, the lid has 2 coats of paint on it now, as does the wringer gearbox, and so does the wringer frame. So those have had their final coats of paint. We've got the wringer pressure bar, also it's had its second coat, and there's the handle cap to the wringer gearbox. So that's about it for today's work. The polishing on the grinder was very time consuming on these drive belt guards, but they sure look good now, and they'll be ready for painting by the next video. Thanks for watching.